Learn alphabet. A for apple. A for aeroplane. B for ball. B for bat. C for cat. C for cup. D for doll. D for dog. E for egg. E for egg. F for fish. F for fan. G for goat. G for guitar. H for hat. H for horse. I for ice cream. I for igloo. J for jug. J for jam. K for kite. K for key. L for lion. L for lamb. M for mango. M for mat. N for nib. N for nest. O for orange. O for owl. P for parrot. P for pen. Q for queen. Q for quail. R for rabbit. R for rat. S for ship. S for snail. T for tiger. T for tap. U for umbrella. U for unicorn. V for van. V for vulture. W for watch. W for watermelon. X for xylophone. X for Xmas tree. Y for yacht. Y for yak. Z for zip. Z for zebra. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe.